Hey dudes, today I'm going to be making papas con chorizo. It's a simple Mexican breakfast that my parents used to make for my brothers and I as kids. This is going to take a while, so let's go ahead and speed things up. Let's start by cutting the potato up into cubes. I'm not talking about squares, I'm not talking about rectangles, trapezoids, none of that. Cubes. This is taking so long. Next, grab your pan, wok, pot, whatever, it doesn't matter. Something to throw your potatoes in. We're gonna cook those for a little bit while you chop up your pepper. Cut, cut, chop, 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 and you're good. Don't forget about your potatoes and stir that. Next, we're gonna cut up our onion. Normally I would use a white onion, but today I'm using brown because things are looking too hot for white things right now. Make sure to chop up your onion very finely, but also be careful because onions will make you cry. It's okay to cry. You good, bud? Nice. Next, get your garlic and do the same thing. Next, we're going to start adding all the ingredients into the potatoes. And if you got to ask yourself, Adrian, how long do I know before I start adding everything in? Well, maybe you shouldn't be cooking in the first place. Take this moment to reflect upon things. Your dead end job, our inevitable demise due to climate change, whatever it is, just drink your coffee. Personally, I like my coffee how I like my women. Committed. Don't forget to stir that up. Then we're going to add in our garlic, mix it around a little bit, grab some salt and pepper. Don't forget, you got to mix it up. And finally, we're going to grab our chorizo, cut it off a little bit, break it up so it's easier to mix into the potatoes, and then we'll start cooking that bad boy. So once you've covered your potatoes, every inch of it with chorizo, and I mean every inch of it, you're going to go and grab your eggs. You're going to grab your pan you're going to cook your eggs in. You're going to heat that up. But first, we're going to grab a bowl. We're going to show off these papas con chorizo real quick. Look at this. Look at this. Let's put the oil in first. But look at this. We're going to crack our eggs with one hand because we're going to let people know that we're better than them. Mix up your eggs, add some salt and pepper, then let it cook for your scrambled eggs. Once the eggs are finally cooked through, you're going to put them on top of your papas con chorizo. And you can add, onions, salsa, whatever. But we're under budgeted, so, help us out.